Hi, welcome to STEAM Powered Family. Today we're making a classroom time capsule, the perfect last day of school activity. Here are the materials that you'll need for your time capsule. We're going to start by sealing one end of the PVC pipe with a cover. You'll trace the cap on the pipe, and then you want to glue the inside of the cap in along the line on the pipe, and finally press it firmly and let it dry. Now we get to decide what to include inside our time capsule. Our time capsule booklet has some great ideas. You can add photos, write a letter to your future self. Here are some examples. You can even make predictions about what the future may hold when you come back to open this time capsule. In the booklet, it has some great prompts. And here's a tracker of what you placed inside the time capsule. Finally, you want to decorate the outside with the name and date. Place everything into a plastic bag and insert that into the pipe. You'll want to add the second cap on the time capsule, but you don't want to glue this one so that you can get it open in the future. Finally, you want to wrap the time capsule so it has proper protection outside. And now you want to decide where you're going to bury your time capsule. You'll go outside, dig a hole big enough to fit, and then bury that. Lastly, you want to make a map of where to find your time capsule in the future. Have fun!